In this video we're gonna set this UI. Okay, when we take damage it will be 1. Okay, and when it goes to 0 the player get destroyed and you can see the text becomes 0. So we will make this today in this video. So without furthering delay, let's dive into this topic. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna create the canvas. Okay, we're gonna place all the UI elements to that canvas. So what we need to do, we need to go to hierarchy. Okay, hierarchy, right click, create UI, and then canvas. Okay, canvas, and select the canvas. Okay, select the canvas and F2 focus on. Okay, and go to inspector of the canvas, select the canvas and go to inspector. Okay, select constant pixel size to scale with screen size. Okay, select x to 1920 by 1080. Okay, 1080. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna place all of the UI elements into this canvas. Okay, into this canvas. So we're gonna create a text UI for player health. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna do right click on the canvas. Okay, then go to UI and then legacy and then text. If you are using the old version of Unity, you will able to see the text will be here. Okay, for the newer we have to go to legacy and then text. Okay, we will call this health text. Okay, health txt and hit enter. Okay, so we're gonna resize this. Okay, we're gonna resize by left click or holding down left mouse button and alt. Okay, it will resize from the center. Okay, to from the center. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to color field. Okay, go to color field of this health text. Okay, make this white. Okay, make this white. We need to make the font size little bit like 50. Okay, 50, I think 50. Let's make it 100. Okay, let's make that 100 and font style to select bold. Okay, font style to select bold, and then alignment to select center, all of them. Okay, alignment to select center, both of them. So what we're gonna do, okay, click the rect, go to rect transform all of these text. Okay, click on this. Okay, click on this and hold down alt on your keyboard. Okay, and click the left one. Okay, click the left one. So it will resize around the left corner. As you can see, it will shrink or expand with screen size. So we're gonna make this little bit smaller. Okay, we're gonna make this little bit smaller. As we said in the last video, we made the max health 2. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna over here health text, we're gonna do it 2 or something like that. So what we're gonna do, so select the alignment to the left side. Okay, and drag it a little bit over here. Okay, little bit over here. So this will be player health number. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we need to get access this text element, because we can set let's imagine we have 5 unit of health of player. So it will be 5. Okay, when we will take damage, we will subtract like 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. So what we need this text reference. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over to player script. Okay, we assign it the max health by 2 units. So what we need to do, we need to create a text field, and then we can drag the health text to that field. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna open up the player script. Okay, player script, we need to make a text element field. Okay, public text animal text field. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to using unity engine dot ui namespace. Okay, using using unity engine. Okay, unity engine. Okay, unity engine dot ui. Okay, we need to use this because text field is the ui element, so that's why we need to use this namespace using unity engine dot ui. So we're gonna create in the bottom. So we're gonna call this public. Okay, public text. This will be text, type of text, and we will call something like health text. Okay, health txt. Okay, health txt, and control s on your keyboard and head back to Unity. Okay, head back to Unity. You will able to see in the player script in the bottom. Okay, the text field will appear, it will says none, so we need to drag the health text to that field, so we will have the link of this UI. Okay, so then we can tweak some value around that. We're gonna set the max health to this text. Okay, just wait for to compile. Okay, just wait for to compile. uh, just wait for to compile. uh, as you can see, health text says none txt. So what we need to drag the health text to that slot. Okay, now we have link of this, so we're gonna set this text to our player max health. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we need to head over to script. Okay, we need to head over to script in the update function. Okay, we need to do it each frame. Okay, we need to check it each frame. So what we gonna do, health text. Okay, health text dot text. So what we are doing, we are going to, okay, we are going to this text. Okay, this text and this text. Okay, health text dot text. So we are going to this and we're gonna set this. Okay, we're gonna set this to our max health. So max health, and we need to convert this to a string. Okay, because max health, as you can see, this is an integer. Okay, this is an integer, and text over here is a string. Okay, so we need to convert this max health to string. So how can we do, we need to dot, okay, to string, we need to type to string and make this curly bracket, make this fast bracket, so it will convert the max health into string. Okay, this integer to string. So as we said, the max health is 2, so the text over here, health text will be, this text will be 2. Okay, so we need to control s on your keyboard. Okay, we need to control s to save this script. Okay, and head over to Unity. You will able to see this 0 will be 2, because we are setting, okay, we are setting this text to our max health, and our max health is 2. As we can see in the inspector, we set it to 2. We can set it to any value like that. Okay, it will update each frame, because we did in the update function. Let's suppose max health became, we are doing it update function. Okay, so we are checking each frame. As we can see, if I select the player, as we can see, max health is 2, so the this text will be 2. Okay, because we are setting this text to our max health is 2, so this text will be 2 equal. So health txt dot text equal to max health. Okay, now if we play, okay, if we play, we will able to see this text will, this 0 will be 2. Okay, we can set it to any value like that. Okay, we can set it to any value like that. So as you can see, it's 2. Let's we take a damage from this shaw. Okay, it will be 1. Okay, as you can see, it's became 1. We are doing update function, and when we hit the when the max health becomes 0, the player get destroyed. Okay, so I hope you understand the logic. Okay, of elements of UI elements. We need to place all of the UI elements to the canvas. Okay, and we need to select canvas color. We need to select scale with screen size, constant pixel size to scale with screen size. Okay, and thanks for watching this video. Okay, if you want to support me on Patreon, and if you enjoyed this video, just give a thumbs up. Okay, and lastly, thanks for watching.